person who wants to be an influencer? Or are you the one who wants to start his online business and doesn't want to spend extra money on professional digital marketers in the beginning? Yeah, I got you. And if you are starting a business, I will suggest you not spend extra money on the things you can handle all by yourself. Yes, you heard it right. In the initial days, you can do digital marketing of your brand without any professionals. You can use many professional digital marketing tools by yourself. Here, I'm going to tell you about one of them, that is Creators Studio. Hey guys, my name is Asta from PaperVideo. In this video, I will teach you how to use the Creator Studio. We will first understand what a Creator Studio is, its advantages, and finally, how you can use it yourself. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Let's begin. Creator Studio is a Facebook's free dashboard that allows you to manage and schedule your Facebook and Instagram content. It provides you all the features you need to monetize, analyze, and post your content across your Facebook and Instagram pages. Advantages of Creator Studio. Creator Studio is a very beneficial tool for digital marketers and content creators. It schedules the content. The incredible advantage of this tool is that you can schedule your content on Instagram and Facebook together. Actually, for digital marketers, this feature is not less than any boon. If you are handling any social media page, remember that posting content on time is your never-ending responsibility. You can schedule your daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly content at once by the Creator Studio. Now, nobody actually schedules monthly or yearly content, but yeah, weekly scheduling is also a fantastic feeling. Get insights. Creator Studio gives you a better understanding of the page inside. Understanding the monetizing conditions. Creator Studio lets you know when your content is eligible to monetize. Protection. It also manages your intellectual property rights. How to access Creator Studio? There are two ways to access it. Firstly, visit facebook.com/creatorstudio. Easy. And the second one is navigate to your Facebook page, click the Publishing Tools button on the sidebar, select Creator Studio under the Tools section in the sidebar. Features. Once you access the Creator Studio, you will land on the home screen. There will be 6 options. Post something. That's a shortcut to the post creation. Recommendations. Personalized recommendations for the pages you handle. Monetization. A summary of your estimated earnings. Insights, a summary of your 7-day performance. Recent posts, a summary of the posts you've published, scheduled, or drafted with view and engagement metrics over the past 7 days. Post status, a high-level report of your posting activity across the last 28 days. You can personalize your home screen by picking the pages you want to see. Create post. On the top left corner, you will see an option named Create a Post. Content library. The content library contains all the published posts. You can filter the posts by time, date, type, or feature. Next to filter, you can see a search bar where you can search any specific post. Insights. This feature shows the overall performance of your pages. The Insights section in Creator Studio is broken down into 4 major categories: pages, videos, stories, and instant articles. Within each dashboard, you can view the insights from specific time frames and export your data. Inbox Plus. It is the place where you can interact with your users. The inbox collects all of these interactions in one place and lets you reply to comments and messages directly from the dashboard. It also helps you to manage your workload by marking conversations as done, spam, unread, and follow-up. The above actions are available for Facebook comments, Instagram comments, and Instagram direct messages. Monetization. In this tab, you can see monetization tools, your earnings, and payout settings. Monetization tools include instant articles, paid online events, in-stream ads for on-demand, fan subscriptions, stars, in-streams ads for live, and brand collaborations manager. How to use Instagram Creator Studio. As I mentioned before, you can manage both platforms with the Facebook Creators tool, but you will have to link your Instagram with the Facebook Creator Studio. After adding that, you will see 2 icons on the top of the dashboard from here. You can switch between Instagram and Facebook pages. The Creator Studio features are pretty similar for both platforms. An advantage of the Instagram Studio is that you can schedule or post on Facebook and Instagram simultaneously through the Instagram Studio. The bad thing about Creator Studio is that it doesn't allow you to post a reel. Except for this one drawback, a creative studio is the need of the hour and you should start using it as soon as you can. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like and share it with your friends, family and colleagues. Share any tips that worked for you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.